don't need to trade 10, 20, 30 times a week. You need one perfect trade, perfect setup, perfect execution to be a profitable trader. Let me show you how. Today we closed our trade at 6-to-1 risk reward ratio. Very simply, this is our area of interest. Why? When I go to the 4 hourly, USDK has been in a downtrend until 2 weeks ago. We started this push to the upside, and this push created an imbalance. So we would look in our strategy to trade the first candle before the push starts, so just below the imbalance. So this candle on the 4 hourly is where we would look to enter, and we take our entries on the 15-minute. So when we zoom in 15-minute, we look for the market to take out the imbalance, and then we look for our entry on the following candle. And what exactly are we looking for? Before we enter, we need confirmation. For confirmation, we need to see a specific structure in the market, in price. So we need to see price coming down, making a lower high. Then we need to see it take out this lower high, sweeping liquidity, a quick reaction, not taking out the low, and then a change of character to the upside. As soon as we see this, I have a specific entry criteria, and that creates the next push to the upside. For entries, we look for the first imbalance in the market. We can see it right there. Let's help. This is the imbalance. And we enter on this candle just before the imbalance. Our entry was set 8:45 at night. It triggered just by a hair. You want to be careful of spreads in your brokerage account. Give it a little bit more, but you can have a really tight stop loss. You don't have to target the swing low, because we have a confirmation with our structure, and we will enter here on a limit order between the candle and our swing low for maximum profit. Very tight stop loss, and the reaction was immediate. Reaction was about 1 o'clock, 12:45 at night. Immediate reaction from the market, taking us up to this, closing up this imbalance here. We targeted this first candle because it's Friday, and I don't let my trades run past 3 o'clock on Friday. It closes automatically at 2. I don't have an account that rolls over the weekend in my prop account. 6-to-1 risk reward. I trade $1,000 a trade and $6,000 a week on one perfectly taken trade. 24,000 a month. That's nothing to laugh at. We don't need to trade 5 times. We don't need to trade 10 times. Just one perfect trade gets you into profit zone. Next week, we will look for this to continue the push upwards. We see a lot of imbalances. We saw where the move came from. We're back at the origin. So we would expect this to be the next push up. Let's monitor price and see where we go. Thanks, everyone. Catch you next time.